anything, it has made the sound of the 5-cylinder engine a little bit more clear. Now it doesn't quite sound as raspy, but it definitely does sound good. And as you can hear, when I won't talk, it's actually decent in the cab. It is not intrusive at all. This is me in 4th gear, doing just under 40 miles an hour. All in all, very happy with the results of my side exit exhaust project. Excuse the rattling in the back of the van, I have a few loose bits. Anyway, hopefully you found that useful and something that you would try. It certainly is well worth it for what I spent, around about £100, and it has not made a terrible noise, and it has made a great improvement to the van, I think. Happy days. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Stick around and see what happens to the Wonder Wagon next.